Hi, welcome to Unique Designs. In this video, I'm going to teach you a great effect in Adobe Photoshop, which is dual lighting effect. So let's do it. Open the image of character. Go to adjustment layer and select gradient map. Now change that white color to cyan color. Select OK. Keep that color to black as it is black, so I am not changing it. Click OK. We can rename it as cyan color for our ease. Now we will create another gradient map layer. This time we will change the white color to red color, so keep it red. Click OK. Again black color to the other side will remain as it is. Select OK. Rename it as well. Now select the layer mask and press Ctrl plus I for inverse. This black color on layer mask indicates that the whole features of this layer have been erased. Now we will retain it on the right side of the character where the light reflections are more clear. So for this, select brush and keep the white color as foreground and black as background. Press X, it will inverse it. Keep the flow between 15 to 20. Adjust brush size. Now we will apply brush like painting. If you want to erase again some portion, then press X to inverse colors as black is on foreground, so it will erase it. Similarly, if you will press X again, then it will inverse and you can retain it again. Now we have finished the painting with brush. If the brush has been applied to the outside of the character like that, it will be visible in case the background of your character is not pure black. So to adjust this, go to blending properties of layer and adjust here. If we press Alt, it will break apart it and more smooth adjustment can be carried out. As in my case, the background is almost pure black, so I do not need to do this adjustment. Now we'll move forward. Now I'm going to place a light element like a swirl revolving around the character. Resize and adjust its position. Press Ctrl plus T and right click on it. Select flip horizontal. Keep the blend mode to screen. So now create a layer mask on it. Click here. Hide these layers and select quick selection tool. Make selection of the character. Now unhide the layers. Click on the layer mask of this light layer. Select brush tool and keep black as foreground color to raise it. We can decrease opacity of it. Now make the duplicate of cyan color layer by pressing Ctrl plus J and bring the top of the layers. We will clip this layer into this light swirl layer by holding Alt and then clicking between these two layers. Now select gradient tool. Keep the gradient style as black to white. Click here and drag it to the left. Now do the same with the red color layer. Copy and paste the layer mask of this cyan layer to this red color layer mask by holding Alt and then dragging into it. Now press Ctrl plus I to inverse it. To enhance the red color more into this light swirl, I am going to apply curve settings given in adjustment layer. Clip this layer. Copy and paste the layer mask of red color into this layer mask. Now click here and adjust curve, dragging this to the left and making adjustment with the curve simultaneously. We have done it now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.